For those folks who don't understand mitochondrial disease and why we would make such a commitment to a very small number of people, the diseases are rare. What's the value? Certainly for that population, the value is apparent. But for the rest of us who are watching this, are there any spin-offs, any benefits to the rest of us from studying mitochondrial disease?
The ravages of the process of aging are very similar to the ravages of mitochondrial disease. And as we better understand how to take care of mitochondrial disease, we better understand how to take care of diseases like Alzheimer's disease, diabetes, even heart attacks and strokes.
Wow, say some more about that.
The mitochondria are the engines of our cell. And when I say an engine, I really want people to go back to the analogy of a car engine.
Okay.
The more you drive a car engine, the older it gets and it starts to wear out. The body's engine is the mitochondria.
Got it.
And under the process of aging creates wear and tear on the mitochondria and the DNA within the mitochondria so that it can't replicate itself properly.
So there are really infinite numbers of tie-ins because all of our cells have mitochondria. So
when we look at diseases like what is the common final pathway of the cause of injury in diabetes, it gets down to the mitochondria just don't seem to be working properly.
wow, fascinating.
Yeah, and actually the other major disease I failed to mention is cancer. The molecular pathways in cancer formation share the same pathways that occur in mitochondrial proliferation.
Wow.
And so we're finding commonalities and possibly even treatment options
Wow.
in cancer that may be applicable to some mitochondrial disease.
It's beyond taking care of those that have rare diseases. It's the fact that we're all kind of similar. And taking care of those patients actually gives us insight into everyone else.
I mean, that's right. There's 1,000 genes that control and regulate the mitochondria. Mutations in any of those genes can potentially cause mitochondrial failure that can appear in infancy, it can appear in later teenage life, it can appear even in 40-year-olds. One of the things that we all share is we all get older.
Yeah, we do. That we do.